In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix video lagging. Let's get started. If a Netflix video keeps pausing, take a long time to load or play in low quality, you can follow these steps. First, check your internet connection. You can also run a speed test. For smooth streaming, Netflix recommends at least 3 Mbps for standard definition, 5 Mbps for SD and 15 Mbps for 4K Ultra SD content. If your connection is slow, restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Next, close any apps or devices that are using your internet bandwidth, such as downloads, online games, or video calls. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switch to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable signal. Next, sign out and sign back into your account. Also, restart your device. If you're using Netflix app, update the app to its latest version. If you're using in the browser, clear cache and cookies for it. For that, click on 3 dots, navigate to the option settings. Then head over to the option privacy and security. Click on site settings. Click on view permission. Here search for Netflix. Once it appears, click on this trash icon and confirm it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can check the server status of Netflix. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in Netflix server status. Now navigate to its official website. If you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. By following these steps, your Netflix video lagging issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.